Hi everyone, it's Yamchan Food. This time, I'm gonna show you how to easily make one of the New Year's dishes called Tazukuri or Gomame by using the microwave. Osechi ryori is a Japanese traditional meal for New Year. Each of the dishes has some auspicious meaning which reflects people's wishes. For example, Tazukuri has a meaning of praying for the great harvest. Tazukuri is like a small teriyaki sardine. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients. First of all, make the dried sardines even crispy by using the microwave. Lay a piece of paper towel on a plate and line up the dried sardines like this. Microwave it at 600 watts for 1 minute. Take it out, mix it and do the same again until it's crispy. Make sure not to burn them. If the size of the sardine is small, adjust the time so that it doesn't burn at the second time. Put 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1.5 tablespoons of mirin. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Microwave it at 600 watts for 1 minute. Mix and dissolve the sugar and microwave it at 600 watts for another 20 seconds. Coat them with the sauce. Mix it until evenly coated. Add some white sesame seeds and mix it. If you like spicy taste, sprinkle a little of ichimi togarashi. Tazukuri is ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!